Hello everyone, welcome to kind of like a market review. I know it's kind of like the time that I'm usually trading, but I'm not taking any trades today. I'm just gonna go over what I'm thinking. So, getting onto the charts, we know we had a really big move on Friday, and I normally like to zoom out when we have these big moves, see what's happening on the bigger picture. So, on the monthly, we can see that, we took out external range liquidity and we left this monthly fair value gap behind right here. So, this strong down move that we've seen, it could be us retracing into this monthly fair value gap to then continue higher, like we have been, for a few years really. When we go down to the daily chart, we don't have any like SMTs of SMTs on the high signaling this move lower, but we do have a really strong shift in structure. So we can see that we first of all we had this swing low right here inside this daily fair value gap, and we had a market structure shift through that low with a lot of intensity. I mean, this is an insane move. This is 1,600 points in one day, this bearish candle. So, structure makes me think that we could see us continue lower to that monthly fair value gap. Just for you to know, that monthly fair value gap is this previous month low line right here. Also, it's pretty close to this no wick low that I've had annotated for a while now. So we could see price, if we're coming down lower, take out this no wick low. Anyway, so this structure is making me lean bearish for this higher time frame. I am expecting us to create a fair value gap here. I'm expecting this daily chart to print a bearish fair value gap here. So going into today, already a little bit bearish just because of this framework I'm looking at. When we go to the 19-minute chart, we can see we have a previous day low SMT. YM took it out, ES took it out, and NQ failed to take it out. So that's bullish. We could see a pull. We could see kind of like a retrace of this move. But by the time that it got to the market open, as you can see here, we already moved 826 points from the low, which is a huge amount. So we already moved so much to the upside. We're already tapping into fair value gaps in a discount of this range. It just didn't seem like a very good, things didn't seem very right to be taking longs today. Also, it's a no news Monday. If we go here, we don't have any news today, June 8th. So, point is, we moved a lot overnight. We've moved already 800 points, which is more than the average daily range that we're used to doing. We're already in a premium of this 90-minute range. And it's just Monday, so there's no point to being too eager. I think that's an important thing to touch on. There's no need to be too eager, especially so early into the week. Coming off a nice week of 3R last week for me, so I don't want to be putting unnecessary capital at risk that I don't need to. I'd rather just focus on good setups. So what I'd rather do is just not trade today, and then hopefully tomorrow we print this fair value gap, and then we can drive up here and then get probably a bearish SMT and take that lower. That will be kind of the ideal thing for me. So yeah, that's about it that I wrote in my journal. So yeah, if this was at all insightful, I hope this was. But yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll see what's up. Alright, bye bye.